because it's a career change. It's something that I should be able to look forward to. But I felt so sad and bad of him being in his presidency. But he said, it's your future. I was able to see, I was able to see the whole of Europe because I was a representative of ECOC to the ILO conference for 4 consecutive years during that time. We have what will happen next? Will I be a candidate? So I said, you are not yet a candidate because your term is not yet through. So don't worry about it. That was the last conversation we had. And one of the memorable things also is, because he used to work with General Motors, and I stay in BFO, so every time I would go to the office of PIMA, he will pass by for me. And we had a very bad accident. The car was bumped, and he